Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to be making this super easy bacon cream sauce pasta. Doesn't take long at all. A nice another little easy spaghetti midweeker, I call them. Yeah, that's it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started here, shall we? So I'm using spaghetti. You can use any pasta you want. I mean, you can use tagliatelle, penne, fusilli, up to you. Get it cooked. I've got there about 3 cups of cooked pasta. I've also got there a little bit of the water that it was cooked in, a little bit of pasta water, just under a cup. We're just going to use a tiny amount of that. Okay, I've got these containers are basically a cup, basically. So I've got a cup of onions and I've got 4 rashers of bacon. I'm using an unsmoked bacon. Use whichever one you want. There's 200 ml of cream. Now you can use a thick cream or a single cream, single meaning runny. It doesn't matter the consistency of the cream, it's gonna work out exactly the same. I've got a teaspoon there of oregano and a tablespoon of garlic. This is super easy and absolutely delicious. So I've got a little pan just here, touch of olive oil in there, medium heat we're on, I've just put that on. We're gonna go in with our onion, which I've sliced. You don't have to slice it if you don't want, chop it small if you like, but I'm just going sliced. In goes the bacon, 4 minutes, medium heat. So that's just 4 minutes there, medium heat. Now if you want, get your bacon cooked really crispy. That's up to you. I'm quite happy there, to be honest. Right, garlic, tablespoon of garlic. Teaspoon of dried oregano. Gonna put some salt in. Now be careful with your salt, because that will depend on the bacon that you use. Some bacon very, very salty. Black pepper. You can chuck in as much of that as you like. Okay, stay on this medium heat, 2 more minutes, stirring often. And that couple of minutes has just got the bacon exactly where I want it and give us time to brown that garlic. We're now going to go in with 200 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin. I always get loads and loads of messages every time I do this. Makes no difference which one you use. Now to that I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta water. Two more minutes, keep it moving all the time. And now we've got a beautiful, creamy bacon sauce, nice consistency. Think about throwing some other vegetables in there, maybe some mushrooms, a bit of broccoli, you can get that in there, can't you? A few olives or something like that. For me, I'm gonna just put a little bit of parmesan in there. I've got some nice grated parmesan here. In that goes, little mix. Then, if you want, pour this on top of your spaghetti. I'm going in. So grab your spag or your cooked pasta, whatever it is. Get it in. About 3 minutes, staying on the medium heat. I'm going to work this in till we get a nice sauce all over the spaghetti. That's it, done. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, super tasty, super fast, super easy, nothing else to say. Keep well, keep safe, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.